Hello and welcome to this Key Stage 3 science topic. This topic is called reflection. So let's have a look at this together. So we can see objects because light travels from them into our eyes. So we usually see objects because the light travels from them into our eyes. So luminous objects make their own light. For example, the sun, a light bulb, and a candle. Most objects do not make their own light. We see them because light bounces off them into our eyes, and this is what we call reflection. So for example, let's have a look at point number 1. So light travels away from the bulb in all directions. You can see left, right, top, bottom. And a ray reflects off this particular book. So the light from the bulb is hitting this book and is reflecting off this book. Now the light reflects off this book and it comes into our eye, which means the ray enters the eye and the person can actually see the book. So this is how reflection and light actually works. Let's have a look at mirrors. Mirrors have a very smooth, a shiny surface. All of the light rays bounce off them at the same angle. This is what makes a clear reflection. So light rays are reflected off the paper in all directions due to its rough surface. So here we go. So light is reflecting off a piece of paper in all different directions because it's a rough piece of paper. Whereas the light rays hitting a mirror are all reflected at the same angle due to the smooth surface of the mirror. So the rays that hit the mirror are called the incident rays. So these are the incident rays. And the diagram above, this diagram that we're just seeing now, shows that the reflected rays leave the surface of the mirror at the same angle that they came in at. So mirrors have a very smooth, shiny surface, and all the rays, light rays, bounce off them at the same angle. Then this makes a clear reflection, and that's one of the reasons that we can actually see our reflection in the mirror at the same time. So have a look at this task again, and you've got some follow-up questions to answer, and good luck with this. See you in the next lesson.